everyone, welcome to the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you how to remove write protection from a USB flash drive. Let's say this disk is write protected. To fix this, let's go to the search bar. First, we'll open the registry editor. Here's where we need to navigate. Start with hkey _ local _ machine, then system. Next, control set 001, then control. Here we need to find storage devices policies. That's the folder name. If it's there, great. If not, create it. Right-click Control, select New, and make Storage Devices Policies. I'll delete this one. Moving on. Now create a new 64-bit word value. Name it Write Protect, modify it, and set it to 0. Click OK and give it a try. If that doesn't work, try this. Open Command Prompt and type diskpart. Click Yes. There. Now type list disk. I have 2 disks. You'll see your flash drive listed here too. Let's say I have 1 disk as a flash drive. My flash drive is 1 disk, yes, with 476 gigabytes. We select your flash drive. I use select disk 1 and type the command attributes disk clear read only. Then we press enter. Attributes disk clear, read only. There. After that, try to defragment the flash drive and it should work. That's all. This was Veiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.